guys, so I just wanted to pop on here. I get a lot of questions about what do I do when I restore, and why does it cost so much, and why does sometimes it take a while. And I just wanted to pop on here and show you that underneath the paint we get all kinds of surprises through the years, and you usually don't see it unless you... So it's taken me over 3 days to sand this guy down to this. And I have found cracks right here. On the other one over here underneath, there's more cracks. There's some holes right here. But I had to go through every little divot over here. It's taken me 3 days to get this far. I have to go through now with a finer Dremel piece because this is what I use. And so now I gotta find like a more pointed piece, like something like that, maybe detailed. And I have to go through all the crevices that I've missed. So stay tuned, and I will be sharing pictures as soon as it's done.